The RJ appears to be stopping, meaning something might be coming my way. Let us wait. I know something's coming now. These strangers over here are getting all perked up, and I bet that stranger behind me is all excited too. Unless they're not as observant as I am. Okay, come on. Here we go, here we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, that was an early rote, man. Early rotation, China. It's alright, I'm not gonna bitch. Good job. Tripod butthole. There you go. Nice guy. Alright, that felt good. I like that. Oh, hell yeah, there she is. Oh, man, you scared me, KAL. During times of international crisis, try not to be late. It makes me worry. You can go get him, buddy. Go kick Kim Jong-un's moon-faced ass. That's my girl. Yeah. You go stick it to him, KAL, because we're better than them. They don't even have electricity over there. All right, now we're talking. Thank you. Thanks for throwing me something. That was nice, thanks. Feels like my soul is full again. Is this stop crossing? Don't cross. Oh, he's crossing. He's creeping up to the line. He's creeping right up to it. He's not crossing. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Thank you. I knew you were coming. You are my main man. You're why I was here for this long. Let's reset this. There we go. There we go. Off to Narita. To Narita!